everyone, hi everyone. Do you know Christmas is coming? Are you excited? Cool, okay. So, what am I going to do? Oh, I know. Why don't we go find Teacher Anna and see what she's up to? Yeah? Okay, let's go. Anna. Hi, do you know that Christmas is coming?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
Yeah, of course, yes.
Yes, she's excited, but you look so boring. I'll help you make it more Christmassy, okay?
Alright.
Here, okay, let's go. Go canvas in the hand. What is
Beautiful. But
Yes.
hold on.
it?
A little bit itchy.
Oh.
And I think it's too much.
Yeah, it is too much.
Maybe we can think of something else? Something more fun?
Yeah, true. I'll help you get everything down first.
Okay.
Give me a minute. Cut. How about just this?
Ooh, I like it. It's so
Okay.
pretty.
Okay, you're welcome.
Alright, so what are we gonna do now?
I don't know.
What about, let me think. Ooh, I like singing. What about let's do Christmas carols?
That's a good idea. I love singing too. My singing is the best.
Of course, I know.
All right. Mm-hmm. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Let's-
1, 2, 3. Woo! Woo! Okay, we're here. Let's see what we're gonna sing. We're gonna sing Jingle Bell Rock. Okay, let's go. Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bell, jingle bell.
A few moments later. A few minutes later.
Another go. Let's see, calling you.
Is it morning yet?
How long have you been singing?
Like 10 minutes.
Oh. Okay.
Is this so boring?
Yeah, singing is fun, but it's only the two of us.
Let's do something else then.
Yeah, good idea. What should we do?
Play?
Game?
Yeah.
Music chair.
Yes!
Christmas song music chair. Yes! Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Woo! Yay! Game time.
Oh, music chair! Yay! So remember, when the music starts, we dance around and dance and roll.
Yeah, okay. There's no music.
We
Sit down.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
Let's go.
Let's go. Okay, you win.
Yes,
That's right. Okay.
12 seconds later.
Oh, this is no fun. Just you and me. Do something else.
Yeah, do something else. Would you like story time?
Yeah!
Let's do stories together. Yeah, good idea. Okay, ready?
1, 2, 3.
Woo! Woo! Story time!
Yay! Alright, oh, let me read.
Sure, you gotta read. Yeah, sure.
Funny story.
Okay.
Alright, so here's my funny stories. It's all about Santa's
underwear! Okay, can't wait. Let's start.
Yes! Santa's underwear. So here we go. Listen.
Okay.
Ready? Santa's underwear.
5 minutes later.
And then, Vonnie?
What did you throw on me? Oh, yeah. This your sock? Let me see.
Yeah, last Christmas I give you my sock. Oh, I'm sorry, Bonnie, because this is really not working. Yeah. I think we should do something else.
Yeah, actually the songs are fun, games are fun, stories funny, but it's only the two of us.
Or maybe not doing something else, but maybe we need to invite someone else.
Good idea. Why don't we invite you?
Yeah. What about you kids? What are you gonna do for Christmas?
Yeah, what are you gonna do?
Do you want to join us?
You wanna join us?
Yes.
Yes.
It will be fun, really fun.
Yeah, right. And then we'll sing lots of songs, play lots of games, read lots of stories, and many more.
That's true, right.
Yeah.
So come and join us here at Cheerful Kids for Christmas!
Woo!
For Christmas.
So we'll see you kids at...
Jefferkins Christmas Workshop! Yay!
Yay! See you everyone. Bye. Merry